My name's Brett Erdman. I'm the Director of Operations for the MI Hegins facility in Pennsylvania. Over the years, we've brought a lot of new equipment in, brought a lot of new processes in. We have a great team around us. It's been a great partnership that we had with FlexScreen when we started buying product from them. So we were confident to be able to bring that product here and be able to build it. We would have the correct support that we would need to start that new process. That's why we chose to make the decision to do the capital investment, to buy the equipment, to be able to build it in-house.
We try and be upfront and foremost in learning about different technologies and things like that. So it was a great opportunity for us as an organization to be the first ones. We always want to push the boundaries, whether it's on a process or quality and things like that, and lending ourselves into automation is a great opportunity, and this was a great partnership that we wanted to be part of.
This enabled us to create less scrap, create less waste, and be much more efficient, and that's what we're always looking to innovate and become more efficient. And this was just a step that helped us, in that journey.